The Komsomolskaya Pravda Islands are an archipelago in the far north of the Russian Federation. The islands are uninhabited and are covered with tundra vegetation, shingle and ice. The climate in these islands and the surrounding waters is extremely severe, with frequent gales and blizzards in the winter. The sea surrounding the archipelago is covered with fast ice most of the year and is obstructed by pack ice even in the summer. Etymology: the island group was known as Ostrova Samuila before the 1917 Russian Revolution, and then they were renamed after Komsomolskaya Pravda, being for a while the only island group in the world named after a newspaper. This situation lasted only until the ice.The Islands were given the name after newspaper Izvestia. The original name of the islands, Samuila, was retained for one of the islands of the group though. Geography: these islands are located in the Laptev Sea coastal region, off the mouth of the Sumsa Bay in the Taimyr Peninsula. This island group belongs to the Krasnoyarsk Krai administrative division of Russia. The largest islands are Ostrov Samuila and Ostrov Bolshoy. Both of them belong to the offshore subgroup, which geographically is sometimes referred to as the proper Komsomolskaya Pravda Islands. The strait between these islands is known as Priliv Dixonski Hydrograph. The smaller islands that are located close to the coast at the mouth of the Sumsa Bay, Udobny, Vilkitsky, Krany, and Small Kuropatchy, form another subgroup that is also known as the Vilkitsky Islands. These are named after geographer Boris Vilkitsky and should not be confused with the Vilkitsky Islands that are part of the Northern Syol archipelago, or with other islands also called Vilkitsky. Uzbekistan Island, named after the former Uzbek Soviet Socialist Republic, has an intermediate position between the two subgroups of the Komsomolskaya Pravda Islands. Just around the corner of the knee point of the nearby mainland lies small Fram Island, which was named after Norwegian explorer Fridtjof Nansen's ship Fram. History: these islands were first reported in 1736 by Russian explorer Vasily Pronkish. In 1933 the newly formed Glazevmorput dispatched the first convoy of freighters via the Northern Sea route to the mouth of the Lena to deliver cargoes bound for the Yakut USSR. It consisted of 3 freighters and was escorted by the icebreaker Krasen. Despite heavy ice conditions in the Kara Sea, 2 of the ships reached Dixie, their destination, and unloaded the cargoes. The third ship, Pravda, was bound for Bukta Nordvik with an oil exploration expedition. Despite warnings, Pravda ran aground near its destination and turned back. Severe ice conditions in the Vilkitsky Strait forced the 3 freighters of the convoy, the Pravda, the Volodarsky and the Tovark Stalin, to winter at Ostrov Samuila in the Komsomolskaya Pravda Islands. A shore station was built and a full scientific program maintained all winter by N.N. Urvanziev and his wife, Dr. Yelizaveta Ivanovna. Urvanziev used the base to explore the Taimyr Peninsula. These ships were released in the following year by icebreaker Fyodor Litka, battering heavily the ice around the Komsomolskaya Pravda Islands for 1 week. The Fyodor Litka finally succeeded in breaking the freighters free after carving a 10 km channel with so much effort that its hull suffered grievous damage.